Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A36 or A56. If you want to take screenshot of A36 or A56, and so let's see how can you do this. There's a simple method. You just have to scroll down your control center, and here you will get to take screenshot option. If you can't get it, just tap on the edit icon, then tap on edit. From here, you just have to tap on take screenshot icon, then tap on it, and it will be added to your control center. Just tap on done, then done again. Now, whenever you want to take a screenshot, so let's see, I'm going to take a screenshot of my Play Store app. Just open it, then scroll down your control center, then tap on take screenshot. So it will take a screenshot for the app or the screen which you have opened. If you want to edit your screenshot, you can easily edit it from here. Just tap on edit, and here you can make changes to your screenshot. So that's how you can easily take screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.